When selecting materials for a gear, it's very important to pay attention to a couple of different factors. First of all, you need to make sure that the gear is exceptionally strong and not going to break during operation. Additionally, you want to make sure that it's not too heavy, not going overboard, making it so strong, but adding weight and complexity to the system. One option for selecting material with gears is to use a plastics-based material. Now, this works great and is often a lighter option, but there's much more concern with the plastic breaking, cracking, or even jamming in different situations due to wear. This can really impact the vehicle's reliability and its extended lifetime. Another material option is to go with ceramics. Ceramics typically offer a good compromise between strength and weight. The downside with ceramics, however, though, is when they fracture or get damaged, they typically fail in a way that is just catastrophic and renders the actuation useless. Another option in material selection is to use alloy steels. Now, alloys can go through special heat treating processes to harden them. This makes them excellent for high speed and reactive systems such as Deep Trekker's products. These offer excellent options for high reliability and can be designed in and manufactured with ease.